Wi-Fi extender power on. Open network settings on your computer. Click Change Adapter Options. Left-click to open Wi-Fi settings, find the attribute to open. Find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, in it and click on it. Enter new IP address, 192.188.123.111. Click FezivNet Mask, the value will appear automatically, and click OK. Return to desktop after setup. Click Network Settings, to find the AHW Wi-Fi 399860 connection. After the connection is successful, the Wi-Fi extender will light up in blue. Open the web page, enter http://192.168.123.1 and enter the Wi-Fi extender setting website. Click on the Wi-Fi settings on the left to modify the username and password. After the save is successful, the network will be automatically disconnected, and the Wi-Fi extender will light up in red. Click on the network settings to find the username you just changed. Enter your password and the Wi-Fi extender will turn on blue, is successful when the connection. Connect the two Wi-Fi extenders to the power supply. The thimble is inserted at the same time to open the pair switch. Match made.